If you're planning a Disneyland trip and want a hotel with a water park or an amazing pool, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, I'm Melissa with Mix and Some Magic. You can save money on every single one of these hotels through my travel partners at Getaway Today. I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab exclusive perks like free parking, free breakfast, and with some of these properties, the water park access is not always included when you book directly through the hotel, but it is when you book with Getaway Today. So I'm going to put a link down below, or you can give them a call at 855-GETAWAY. Just make sure you tell them that Mix and Some Magic sent you to get the best rates. These are my top picks for hotels near Disneyland with epic water parks or some seriously awesome pools. And I've stayed at or toured all of them, so I know what I'm talking about. Let's get into it. First up is Courtyard Anaheim Theme Park Entrance, a top choice for families who want serious fun and a super close walk to Disneyland. This hotel is just minutes from the Disneyland entrance. Seriously, it's right across the street. You'll literally be steps away from the magic. And when you're not in the parks, then you can hang out at the exclusive Surfside Water Park. Think water slides, a huge drench bucket, a splash zone, and pools all on the property. All of the rooms sleep 6, all the rooms have bunk beds, and all the rooms have 2 showers, which is a game changer for families. You can also grab Starbucks in the lobby or sit down for breakfast, lunch, or dinner at the bistro. This water park is seriously amazing. You're going to love this property. The parking is valet only, but you can get front row views of the Disneyland fireworks right from this hotel. Next up, and my personal favorite, is the Cambria Hotel and Suites Anaheim Resort area. This is one of the newer hotels near Disneyland, and it shows. The rooms are modern, clean, and super spacious, with 2 separate showers, complimentary Wi-Fi, and a free American breakfast buffet every morning. They have Mickey waffles, and I am a sucker for Mickey Mouse waffles. The real star is the 30,000 square foot water park. Yep, 30,000 square feet with water slides, splash pads, and pop jets. It's one of the biggest hotel water parks in the area, and it's completely included when you book through Getaway Today. You'll also find on-site restaurants like The Habit, Jersey Mike's, Yogurtland, and Starbucks, plus a sport court and even a movie wall where they play films outside in the evenings. It's about a mile from Disneyland, so not quite walkable, but it's a super short drive or a shuttle ride away. I've stayed here with my family, and honestly, it was amazing. The water park, the space, and having all the food options right nearby, it just made everything easier and perfect. Now let's talk about a classic, Howard Johnson Anaheim, or the Hojo as it is affectionately referred to. This hotel is only half a mile from Disneyland and sits on 7 acres of lush grounds, which makes it feel like a little escape from the crowds. They've got 2 outdoor pools, including Castaway Cove, which is a pirate-themed water playground with a splash zone, small slides, and interactive features kids will love. They also have the garden pool, which is a little retreat and perfect for just lounging or families. Their rooms are super family friendly with plush bedding and mini refrigerators. I love the Hojo and have stayed here many times, and I will definitely be back. If you are looking for something spacious and walkable, check out the Anaheim Hotel. It's located right across the street from Disneyland and next to the Anaheim Garden Walk. This hotel sits on 9 acres of landscaped gardens and has an Olympic-sized swimming pool, which is the largest hotel pool in the area. Rooms come with mini fridges, and many have a balcony or patio, which is great if you want to enjoy the evening without leaving your room. It's clean, comfortable, and the vibe is very laid back and relaxed. Plus, the pizza press is right on site, so poolside pizza night is totally a thing. It's a great mix of location, space, and value. Last but certainly not least is SunCoast Park Hotel Anaheim, part of the Hilton's Tapestry Collection. This one has a more boutique modern feel with a beautiful infinity pool, a beachcomber cafe and bar, and even free activities like ping pong, cornhole, puzzle boards, and a kids' movie room. Rooms are fresh and bright and come with a mini fridge and a microwave. It's within walking distance to the park or just a short drive or shuttle ride away, and right next to Garden Walk for shopping and restaurants. Plus, when you book with Getaway Today, you get free breakfast and free parking, which saves you a ton of money and is a huge bonus. So there you have it, 5 amazing hotels near Disneyland with water parks or awesome pools. Whether you're looking to go all in on pool days or just want a fun break between park visits, any of these would seriously be a great fit. If you're traveling with younger kids, the Hojo or the Courtyard is probably my top pick. You'll be right near the park, so you'll be able to hop back and forth if you need to for breaks or naps or early bedtimes. Plus, their water parks at Hojo and at Courtyard are great for young kids and families. If you're after a big pool and walkability, go with Anaheim Hotel. If you want something a little more upscale but still family friendly, SunCoast is a solid pick. But for overall value, amenities, and family friendliness, my top choice is Cambria. The huge water park, the breakfast buffet, the on-site food, and the space. It just makes for a low-stress, high-fun vacation. The only downside is it is not quite walkable to Disneyland, but there is the art bus that picks up right out front and takes you right to Disneyland, which is really convenient, and that's what I do when I stay there. Don't forget, you can save money and get extra perks like free breakfast, parking, or even water park access by booking these hotels with my travel partners at Getaway Today. I'll drop the link below, or you can give them a call at 855-GETAWAY. Just make sure you tell them that Mixin' Some Magic sent you to get the deals. Let me know in the comments, which hotel would you pick? I would love to know. Also, if you have a hotel you would like me to review, please let me know in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video. We'll talk soon.